Ready to brighten up your Christmas tree with some handmade flair? This crochet style tutorial is for you. You will need yarn, a crochet hook, a darning needle, and some scissors. We're going to start our project with a slip knot. Next, we're going to chain 5. Slip stitch into the first chain to form a circle. We're going to start our round with a chain 3. Double crochet 2 times into the center of the circle. Chain 2. Double crochet 3 times. Chain 2. 3 double crochets and 2 chains will be our repeating pattern. Continue this until you have 5 clusters of 3 double crochets. I'll meet you back at the end of the row. Now that we've done our last cluster of double crochets, we're going to chain 2. Slip stitch into the top of the chain 3 from the beginning of the round. Chain 1. Single crochet into the top of the first double crochet after the chain 3. Double crochet 3 times into the space. Chain 2. Double crochet 3 times into the same space that we just did our first cluster. You should have something that looks like this. We've now created the first point of our star. Single crochet into the top of the second double crochet from the round below. Double crochet 3 times into the next chain space. Chain 2. Double crochet 3 times into the same chain space. Single crochet into the top of the second double crochet. We'll repeat this pattern for the rest of the row. Double crochet 3 times. Chain 2. 3 double crochets. single crochet, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, now that we have all of the points of the star completed, it's time to slip stitch to finish off the project. Chain 1, cut the yarn and secure the project. Make sure you weave in the ends. I used a ribbon to elevate the look of my star, but you could also make a hanger out of yarn. Subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Happy holidays!